Hello, this is HP manual truck. The diameter is 100 mm and the compatible systems are perfectly. It was fixed on 4 manual truck on a big pallet, so you can produce 4 different workpieces at a time. The big pallet length is 300 mm, width is 280 mm. How to use it? You just use the steel holder like this, put on the manual truck. Yeah, this holder put on the manual truck. Yeah, and then use the wrench to tighten it. Yeah. Okay, it's really tight now. So you need a dial gauge to test the precision. Our manual truck was made of high quality stainless steel and the repeat accuracy up to 2 micron. Yeah. Price is very good. Welcome to inquire. Thank you.